All right, so I showed how to delete a AWS account, but I'm doing a tutorial on how to start a new one. So go to the Amazon Web Services console, create a new AWS account, and this will pop up. Pretty sure I haven't used this email for any of my accounts before, but you put a working email, and um, that is how you will sign into your root account from now on. So I'm just going to call this uDemy course in camel case, and then see if it works. A security check wants to make sure I'm not a robot. So B7FF and R, I believe. Getting better at reading those. How do I plan to use the free tier offers? 12 months free. Trials start from service activation date. So I'm in personal for my own projects because this account is for a Udemy course. As I'm learning AWS, I am not yet working full time in any cloud capacity, but this is my phone number here, which I may or may not blur out so nobody calls me. I do not live in the United States. I live in Canada. So I'm going to select that so it make sure it follows all the regulations. You enter your address here, which I'm going to put accurately. So I'm definitely going to blur this out. And I live in Ontario. And my postal code. And then it says, I have read and agreed to the terms of, you can open it if you want to. I don't think it's required. So you're going to have to enter a credit card number, a valid credit card number. So I am going to enter a valid credit card number here. So find one. And I had all my stuff prepared for this recording. So I have everything literally right in front of me. So make sure you mark my credit card number down. Oh, that's not accurate. I missed something. That's weird. Okay, let's start that again. It's not supported. Okay. Well, let's try a different credit card then. I got one. I got one in here. Okay, well, let's try this one. Fascinating. Because that number was correct. Oh, okay. I must have missed a number on my other credit card, but that's fine. Doesn't really matter. So the year, oh, that expires this year. Uh-oh. So cardholder's name, that's me. So once you've entered your credit card number, you verify and continue. Now it's asking me to confirm my identity. So before you can use your AWS account, you must verify your phone number. When you continue, the AWS automated system will contact you with a verification code. They can do a voice call or they can send you a text message. I opt for the text message. So then you enter again this security code. It's you got to jump through a few hoops to set this up. Security characters are incorrect. Please try again. Oh, that's way easier to read. Jesus, man. Security numbers are incorrect. Okay, maybe we should do this.
Please type the numbers you hear.
Okay.
6 3 9
1
3
6 0.
Okay. Let's see if that worked. All right. So that worked. Send me a verification code. My Amazon Web Services verification code is 7494. And there we go. Now it's going to ask me which plan I want to sign up for since I'm only doing this for a course and I'm not being paid as a developer for business quite yet. I am choosing the basic support free, recommended for new users who are just getting started with AWS. I've been working with it and learning it for about a year and a half. 24/7 self-service access to AWS resources for account and billing issues only, and access to the personal dashboard and trusted advisor. So that's pretty cool. So I don't need enterprise level support. That starts at $15,000 per month with 15 minutes response time. Very awesome if you're enterprise level. I'm just a single man. Well, I'm a married man, but I'm just a lone, person as far as this is concerned. So congratulations. Thank you for signing up for AWS or activating your account, which should only take a few minutes. You will receive an email when this is complete. And you go to the AWS Manage console. I will enter my, hold on, Zoe. I will enter my address here and my email address. And, oh, CAPTCHA's incorrect. I think I got this one. I don't think I'll need to listen to it. Nope. Let's try one more time and then I'm gonna listen. Wow. Okay. Fascinating. All right. Let's do this.
Please type the numbers you hear.
Okay, just give me a second, Zoe. I'll come help you in a minute, okay?
0,
4, 1,
8,
8,
0, 4,
Wow. Okay. Yeah, Zoe. Let's try letters. Let's try letters again. I'm not sure why that didn't work. Um, I can't see that middle one. This is amazing. There we go, finally. And I haven't set up multi-factor authentication yet, so I shouldn't need to use it. And you just sign in with what you set up. And now it's asking me if I want to do the new console. No, because it won't match up with the Udemy course. So if you are using the current Udemy course, it's January 23rd on 2022, then don't switch to the new console yet because it'll screw you all up. And now I'm going to restart the course from the beginning. I went through the course once already, but I want to fully understand it. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll just say maybe later. And now you've got an AWS account. This is a brand new free tier account. So thank you for watching the tutorial. If you liked it, if this helped you in any way, feel free to like and subscribe at the buttons below and click the notification bell so you know when we've uploaded new content. We try to upload weekly. We do about an hour long AWS discussion and or it's becoming a bit cloud agnostic. We're mainly AWS, but we're starting to learn other platforms and ways to interact with the cloud, basically. So we're starting to learn the GCP and Azure and everything like that. But I guess you could say I started with AWS, so I know the most about it. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.